Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put appear animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then here you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Now click this text and write something on the text. Then go to the built-in and you can see here are no built-in effect drop down menu. Now click this. Now you can see here are appear option. Then you can change text animation by object, by word, by character, everything. You can see here are order and you can see here are delivery. Now I'm click by paragraph. Then click, you can see here are start menu. Now I'm click start drop down menu and select after transaction and then click slideshow. Now our slideshow is starting. Then click escape on your keyboard. Now here we can see put appear animation in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.